Zdaj pa se iz Pariza selimo v Bergamo, v okolico podalpskih italijanskih jezer, kjer smo vozili prenovljenega Audija Q3, ki je sicer oblikovan na stopaško, a njegova novost, velika prednost je, da je čedalje bolj družinski in prostoren.
Že po slikah se vidi, da je novi Audi Q3 zrasel. A zrasel ni le v centimetrih, še precej bolje v vtisu, ki ga je pustil že ob prvem srečanju. Konec je dobe odraščanja, zdaj je Q3 mož, ki je našel notranje ravnovesje.
The Q3 has grown, it's become more confident, and is a more evoking SUV. When we were going about the design process for the Q3, we had one word in our heads, and that word was balance. By far the biggest change of the whole car is we tried to give it more of an SUV feeling. And the first way is we really took the whole front of the car and we've moved it half a level up. And this has resulted in a lot of things. So we've got a straighter hood. We've also got the whole kind of shoulder line is also higher. And there's something very unique. Normally the shoulder line in an Audi runs from the front lamp to the rear lamp. But however, in the Q3 it's different. It actually cuts into above the wheels, it cuts into the body. And this allows us as designers to really make a lot of sculpture and give the car a lot of character.
Pa vendar ne spreglejmo, da je novi Q3 zrasel prav na mestih, ki ga zdaj precej bolj suvereno postavljajo tudi pred družinske kupce. Za 10 cm ga je več v dolžino, večina prirastka pa se je zgodila med obema osema, tako da je občutno več prostora še zlasti v kabini in v prtljažniku. Zadnjo klop je možno celo vzdolžno tudi pomikati za konkretnih 15 cm. Prilagaja pa tudi naklon naslonjala, ki ga sicer lahko poklopimo v razmerju 40-20-40. Prepričani smo, da bodo prav nove prostorske mere še posebej močan magnet za nove kupce.
The Q3 now sits in between the Q2 and the Q5. Obviously the Q2 sits at the start of our lineup. It obviously holds the most opportunity to influence with the strongest character. At the other end of the Q3, you've got the Q5, which is obviously a really sophisticated car. And we wanted to create a car that was a little bit of the character from the Q2 and the sophistication of the Q5, but we didn't want to make a car that was compromised. We really wanted to give the Q3 its own unique character at the same time.
Da se Q3 umešča med najbolj žlahtne premijske mestne športne terence, pove tudi v neskončnost dolg spisek možne doplačilne opreme, kjer se najde vse, od nastavljivega ali športnega vzmetenja, matričnih luči, audiosistema Bang & Olufsen do popolne varnostne opreme, glasovnega upravljanja ali na primer aplikacije My Audi. Audi ponuja tako bencinske kot dizelske agregate, s čimer jasno sporoča, da sodobni in očiščeni dizli še niso rekli zadnje. In ja, seveda je tu legendarni štirikolesni pogon Quattro, ki je uglašen predvsem na doseganje optimalnih dinamičnih voznih lastnosti na slabših in boljših asfaltnih podlagah. Q3 na naš asfalt pripelje novembra, ko bo jasno tudi to, kakšno ceno mu bodo namenili.